Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning everyone. My name is Andika Firdaus Hidayat with name A12121071. Usually my friends call me by calling Dick or Dika. Anyway, how are you all? I hope you are fine. First of all, I want to thank you, all of you, for the opportunity given to me. I want to tell you about my interests and plans and hopes for the future. I have several interests, namely music, movies, anime, games, and technology. I am interested in music. Can you tell me why I like music? Because I like playing guitar. When I play guitar and get carried away by the song I play, like I feel like following the song and it makes me happy. I started liking guitar since junior high school. Until now it has become a hobby. At first I couldn't play the guitar, but because of a strong desire and being encouraged by circle of friends who often play guitar, I also became interested in playing the guitar. Practice playing the guitar starting from the basic, such as basic chord, finger position, and doing finger exercise, so that they are not stiff. It all takes a long time and is a little painful for me because the fingers have to be strong to press the string on the guitar, but over time the fingers I started hard and got used to it, so it doesn't hurt anymore. Then I'm also interested in movies and anime. I've liked movies and anime since elementary school. Usually when I come home from school I go to watch TV channels abroad and watch Western movies. I really like it, especially Marvel Avengers and Harry Potter. Marvel Avengers movie, which tells the story of a superhero, and also Harry Potter, which tells the story of a child who is very strong in magic. And because of the habit of watching for its film, I am used to listening and subconsciously learning English. While the anime that I really like is Naruto. Naruto is Naruto is a very popular anime in Indonesia. I usually watch it when I get home after reading the Quran in the afternoon. Naruto anime is my favorite, so I don't want to miss an episode. It tells the story a lonely child who doesn't know how to give up and wants to be recognized by everyone for his existence. Anyway, talking about my interest in games and technology, I love playing games since I love playing games since childhood. When I was in elementary school, every day I play PlayStation games with friends at my house. It's very fun because there are lots of luck with friends. One of my favorite games is GTA San Andreas, which tells the story of a city gangster. Second, Downhill is a game about bicycle racing on the mountain. Resident Evil 4 tells the story of a police agent assigned to rescue the resident kidnapped son. All of these games are my favorite when I fill my spare time. And my last interest is about technology. I became interested in technology when I was in high school. At the time, I was curious about cell phone components such as RAM, storage, and chipset. I'm also more interested when I can repair a cell phone that has forgotten the password. Over time, I became interested in programming because for me it's a cool thing to be able to create application and site and become a successful person for like Mark Zuckerberg. I used to learn programming starting from basic HTML coding, which is still simple. In my spare time, when when I'm in a good mood, usually fill it with self-taught learning via YouTube. Talking about my plans for the future, I have a plan. That is, I want to make my parents proud that I have finished college and I hope to get good grades so that I become a successful and useful person for the country. In the future, I want to in the future actually I want to open a job opportunity sorry in the future actually I want to open a job opportunities such as opening forest language lesson such as English, Japanese and Arabic and others. And also I want to have a property asset business such as homestay or housing. Do you know why I choose property asset business? Because the first advantage of the property asset business is that property purchase can be an asset. The point is that the property owner can generate passive income if it is rented and has a selling value. Owned property can also be used as collateral to borrow money at the bank. The thing that makes me love business is when earning money from hard work myself can make me feel happy and proud of myself. And also, I can buy anything when I like without being shy to ask from parents again. And in conclusion, I want to have an interest in music, movies, anime, games, and technology since elementary high school. And I want to be a successful person by opening a job so I can help others people to get us jobs. So, thank you for listening for my future and my interest. I'm sorry if there are words that are not quite right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.